What's going on, legends? So you would have seen that I just got a delivery from got down Pro Image, bit of a fresh kit. You might be asking why have I got another kit that looks pretty well similar to the one that I've got. It's that I printed this sticker kit and I'm not a fan of making sticker kits. The templates I get just don't cut it, you know what I mean? They're not as good as the ones that the boys down there, they fine tune and they get them exactly how they need to be. Where me, grab it online, throw the design in, print it off, it is what it is. So yeah, that's why we leave that one to the pros. Anyway, let's rip this kit off and get the new one on. Here you go, quick little tip to anyone pulling stickers off. Hard and fast, don't give it time to stretch. All graphics are off, bike back to all clean. I wiped it down. We've got a glue remover that we use called Super B. It is unreal stuff. Use that, get any existing glue off. Isopropyl alcohol over the top just to make sure any film's gone, and just a clean surface, ready to go. So what do you think of it black and red? I saw a post the other day. This guy reckons that bikes look better without stickers. Personally, I think he's full of shit. So anyway, let's get these on and see how it looks. Alright, legends, bike's done, mate. Looks unreal. Super happy with it. Look how shiny these graphics are. That gloss laminate is insane, mate. Scott, Pro Image MX, mate, unreal job. You've got your vinyls on point, prints on point, template on point. Super happy with it, mate. There is not one thing that I would change about that kit. It's been done well. Super happy to get it back on the bike, the way it should be. Thanks, Scott from Pro Image. You're a legend. If you need a kit, give Scott a ring. Anyway, bike's back together. Trying to sneak in a Father's Day ride on Sunday. We're gonna see how he goes. Jano's 30th. Tomorrow night, it's probably gonna be a big one. I'm gonna try behave and we'll see how we go. Try and get a sneaky ride in with the old man, actually. The old man has a WR250 he's hanging to bring out. He's keen for a ride, so we'll see if we can drag him out. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Till then, catch you in the next one. Yo!